In a river. Good morning. We've just been picked up in Malang at 6 AM this morning, so another early start for us. As you can see, Anne's still very tired. Lots of people about going to work. We're just on our way now to see the waterfall, so I believe it's called Tumpak Sewu. Is that how you say it, Aston?
Tumpak Sewu.
Okay, he knows better than me. I heard it's quite slippery and wet, so we brought our boat shoes and our waterproof bag actually as well to keep everything inside. There's quite a lot of smoke and pollution in the air.
Yeah.
And you can see throughout the village there's quite a lot of fires, and they still burn their trash here. He said it's not necessarily tradition but more of a bad habit now.
Okay, thank you.
So I'll say hello to Astu.
Hi.
Hello.
Go Manchester.
So Astu will be our driver for the next 4 days.
And just for remind, the track is very challenging.
Yeah.
Yeah, just prepare for wet
Okay.
condition. Okay.
No problem.
Yeah.
We're here. Now we have to get on a motorbike.
Hi.
The shirt like this, so
Wow.
your shoes is wet.
Oh yeah, yeah. They're in there, the shoe, the
Yeah,
wet
that's
shoes.
good. That's good.
I can see we're gonna get very wet.
You can hold my shoulder.
Well, that was a life experience. I nearly died. It was terrifying. Hera was just paying for us. Oh, sorry, sir.
Oh, it's okay.
Are you going flip-flops?
Yeah.
I'm scared. Oh.
Catching chicken? This is a chicken.
What's this one?
This little swan.
Oh, is it? So how long is the walk?
2 hours.
2 hours.
2 hours. 2 hours.
Wow. Yeah. Okay.
So first destination we go to the viewpoint.
Yeah.
After from viewpoint we
Yeah.
go to the waterfall.
Okay.
After from waterfall we go to the cave over there.
Okay. They're so pretty, those pink ones. It literally looks like one of the...
You want to try? If we go up, yeah. And this is a snake fruit.
Oh, right. So that's what it actually looks
Because
like.
look like the skin of this one.
It smells really sweet.
Apple.
Yeah, look
Tastes like apple.
Look like it's a pear.
Yeah.
Spicy, look like it's an apple.
So sweet.
Okay, bring you a bowl.
We're going to fly the drone from the top. I can't believe it's actually amazing. Look how high it is.
All right, Charlotte, that's a challenge. Yes. Oh, it's so cold. It's actually nice. I think the strategy is to grab it and walk backwards like that. So nice. Here we are, heading to the main waterfalls now.
The waterfall started. Across this bridge now.
Going back up again?
No, round, there's more waterfalls.
Yeah. You can swim over there.
Oh, cute! So we've just got to the bit where you can jump in the water or go swimming. Everyone's staring at you.
Right. You've got fans around the world.
You've already had 2 photos with people, haven't you?
I think I'm the rock.
Yeah.
About to get in after that girl. Right, you see it? Daverton. Got Hero. Hero over there. He's the best photographer. Takes the pictures. Look, 2 iPhones on him. And records the videos of us as well. Look how pro he is. Smoking cigarettes, 2 phones. Look at that.
down.
There's some pressure in there. Insane. I don't think you get very comfortable, Charlotte. Charlotte, look at stay there. Just get out. Look at her face. Camera.
Literally feels like the Amazon rainforest. You okay? We're halfway up, I reckon.
Cardio done.
Hard.
Like this.
Yeah.
Cardio. Literally like doing sport.
Yeah. Off we go. Just come across there in the waterfall, and now we're in the cave.
Someone just fell over then.
Someone just fell over as well.
Come on.
Down?
No, not down.
Oh my god, panic then.
Well, I bet someone fell down there before.
Oh, easy.
100%.
Look at the cave. So beautiful. What? Oh, be careful. Slippery.
Small fish.
Oh yeah. Tiny fish. They look like tadpoles. Oh.
Oh.
Oh, it bit you. Oh, it's like a tiny baby lobster. Okay.
Way back now. This is so dangerous. Look at that. You go down, you go down.
We're almost at the top. We've come all the way up those stairs. Everyone's very tired. It's a long way up and a lot of stairs. Box steps really help for this. Make sure you do them before you come. Is that for you? A lot of legwork getting up that hill. So Anne's ordered some rice with chicken. It's a really cute little place and there's lots of people eating here.
Oh, look, it's chicken everywhere. That's mint. It's literally like a protein bomb.
Yeah.
Proteins and carbs.
There you go, perfect.
Very nice. So that dish with those two cokes worked out £1.60.
Yeah, it's unbelievable. So cheap.
Sorry?
Just got back into the car with our driver. Hello.
Oh.
Again.
Hello. Are you good guys?
Yeah, really good. So yeah, we're quite tired. We're just trekking up that. But we just got changed, ready to go back to Malang. We're going to see the Jodipan village now and show you when we get there.